Welcome, I'm Bea and I'm glad you found my channel. And in case you are wondering what my channel is about, well, it goes from mixed media, painting, art journaling, collaging, assemblages and anything else that sparks my interest. So have fun and join me. I have usually 2 videos per week. Welcome to the second round of the Mystery Envelope Challenge. I did provide envelopes for artists from around the world. In those envelopes there were all kinds of goodies, mostly vintage papers, fabric and other doodads. Each of them made whatever they came up with and did film it. The goal is to have as many different artworks from the somewhat same stash as possible. They were free to use any color medium they want and add bits and pieces from their own collection. So make sure to check out with what my fellow artists came up with by following the link down below in the description of this video. If you follow all the links and are back to my video again, you have seen all of them. And don't forget to share and give some love to all participants with a thumb up or a nice comment. But now to my table. You have seen at the beginning with what I was playing, and here you can see me starting gluing some pieces from the sewing pattern to my canvas. I did speed up the video quite a bit and also did edit out some parts. But I think you get the idea how it is done. If there are any questions, just leave them down below in the comments. For the moment I leave you with some music and will step in whenever I have to say something. To tone down the white canvas a bit, I did use some glazing medium, a grey and a Titan buff. I'm gonna apply it with a cosmetic sponge. I have enlarged the picture from my old-fashioned illustration quite a bit. I know already that I want to use those faux glasses from Canvas Corp brand, so I have to fit the face to the glasses. I then did print with a laser printer onto some plain printer paper, nothing fancy here. To make the piece a little bit more blended in, I tend to tear the paper rather than cutting. Of course I want to get rid of those white edges with some ink. Any brand with the right color will work. To glue down the paper, I use a soft gel. also give the lady a makeup with the help of water-soluble color crayons. Now here I'm applying a crackle media which, well, didn't crack at all. So basically there is just a layer of glass on her face. Live and learn, maybe I shouldn't have used a heat gun with that particular brand. I have this stencil which I really like. I think it suits perfect the vintage theme. I'm gonna use it with a mixture of white and turquoise modeling paste. The flowers I want to use don't have the right colors, so I change them up together with some vintage ribbon. I wet them first with some plain water and then add some shimmer sprays. also add some shimmer sprays to the canvas, but I need to protect the face with the scrap piece of paper. Now the fun begins with the embellishments. I'm trying out several arrangements before I start gluing them down with either tacky glue or modeling paste. The buttons seemed a little bit too stark white for my taste, so I grabbed for an alcohol marker and did then tint in turquoise, of course. As a final step, I did add some metallic gold wax to the canvas, mostly to the raised areas, but also some spot on the plain surfaces. hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and share on whatever social media you are on, so others can enjoy it too. Hope to see you soon somewhere online.